Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the default clothing inside of Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser and we're just going to launch up roblox.com. So just make sure you're logged into your account and then we're going to head over to this left hand navigation. Now this is a brand new account, so my avatar will have all of its default clothing. So from this left hand menu, come down to avatar, and from here you can see all of the default clothing that my character is currently wearing. So first thing you need to do is head over to the recent tab and come over to all. Then we just need to scroll down and deselect any clothing that we want to remove from our character. Once you've removed the clothing from your character, we're going to head over to head and body, and then we're going to select skin tone. Now it's from this menu where we can create the illusion of our character wearing no clothes. So for example, in the skin tone, if I come down to this white selection here, you can see now that that's changed the whole skin tone of the avatar. And if we come down further into this advanced section, we can select all the different body parts that we want to change. So just go ahead and select the color that you want to use for each of these body parts, and once you're finished we can press done, and then by selecting a color this will remove the default clothing like so. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you remove clothing from your Roblox avatar. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.